everybody doing today? Good, because your girl is back with another video. So today, you guys, I am bringing you a 3-cheese macaroni and cheese. But first of all, how are you guys doing today? Good. Your girl doing just fine, yeah. In the kitchen, getting this together for the holidays. I hope you guys enjoy this video enough to like, comment, and share with everyone. Let me know what your girl is doing on her channel. And yeah, leave a comment below so I know where to go. And if you haven't checked out the other links to my cooking, feel free. It will be in the description, you guys. But if you're ready for this video, what you're going to need is a pot of boiling water, such as I got now, some macaroni and cheese, some salt, some Larry seasoning salt. Garlic powder is optional. Okay, you guys? Oh, Lord. Let me get that little hair out the way. And some black pepper. Okay? You're going to need this cheese by Ragu. Okay? Double cheese cheddar. Okay? And I also have some cheddar shredded, along with some mozzarella shredded. But I don't have it out because I got to bring it out when I'm close, okay? Egg and some milk. So if you're ready for this video, come. Sit back and relax. Okay, so we're back. So these are my 2 cheeses, mozzarella, chopped cheddar. Okay? We have some milk right here, approximately a cup. And we have 1 egg right here, you guys. But right now, we're going to start it off by sprinkling some salt into our water. Because we want to give our noodles some flavor. Our water is boiling. So, let's put our noodles right on in. Now, you don't have to use this brand. You can use whatever brand you like. You guys, use whatever brand that you prefer. Okay? Now, we're going to let that cook. Okay, so guys, we're back. So, we got the noodles drained. Okay, and I left a little of the water in there, just a little, not nothing major, because I want that water to help with the richness on this macaroni and cheese. So we're going to add our seasonings, Larry seasoning salt. Be careful with that because we put table salt. Black pepper. Yes, I love my black pepper in there. Excuse me, you guys. So, we're going to add a little garlic powder. Now, like I said, this is optional. Okay. And that's all the seasoning that I'm going to put in here, you guys. So, we're going to get that butter to melting. And we cut the pot off because we're going to add our cheeses. Okay. Now, I know some of you guys say, well, I don't know. My hands are clean. And we're going to mix this right on in here, you guys. Going to mix it right on in there. Get everything and mix it in mingle. And doing what they do. Yes. You guys, can you see it? I hope you can. Yes. Let's get all of that mixing and mingling. Okay, so we're going to beat our egg. gonna dump it. Yes. We're gonna stir it up and get it all in here. Now this is where our cheese sauce come in at. And we're gonna dump it. Yeah. And we're gonna add us some milk in there, because we want to get all of that out of there. And we shake. We're shaking. Because we want to get all that flavor. Yeah. We want to get all that flavor up in there, out of there. And we dump it. And we put this on a good stir. Look at that cheesy macaroni and cheese. We're going to add a little more milk. Not that I necessarily needed it, but it's nothing like flavor. Like I say, you guys, if you're viewing me for the first time, come to this channel straight up. Subscribe to this channel. Come join your girl. I would love to have you. And yeah, pull this at holidays, birthdays, whatever celebration in your way. And I guarantee you, they will love it. Okay, let's transfer this pot over in here. Oh, it's a little too much, but that's okay, because that could be eaten. Let's take a little out. And we got it. So we're going to put this in the oven. I'm going to drizzle out some more cheese on top. And we'll be back because it's going into the oven. So we're back, you guys. Check out the macaroni and cheese. Oh, now isn't that beautiful? Just golden, cheesy. So yeah, if you're new to the channel, thank you. Share the love, share this video, thumbs it straight up, subscribe to the channel, and yes, leave a comment below so I know where to go. You guys, this is beautiful. So let's dig right on in. Let's see what we come out with. Yes, I have my parsley on it. Look at there. You guys, look at there. The cheesiness, the creaminess of that macaroni and cheese. Yes, look at that, you guys. So yes, look at the cheesiness. Who else like mozzarella? This is so delicious, you guys. Hold on. So yes, you guys, look at this cheesiness. So if you like this video, please feel free to check out my other videos, you guys. You will love them. So until then, sending much love from my house to yours.